So now after you flush all the black water tank, close that, push that in, and depending, sometimes I have to twist the black water handle in a little bit just to make sure it's tight. It's tight. Pull the gray just in case one last time. Empty all that out. Close it. Before you start undoing all this stuff, make sure both handles are secure. And in this case, they are. So you can go ahead and unlatch it right here. And then take this other lid back, tighten it. Again, make sure every time you're messing with the sewage, everything is as tight as possible. You don't want to be leaking anything out while you're driving. In. Just like that. All right. Make sure it's as empty as possible. Just so. Fit back in there. It travels a little bit easier when it's connected. Everything fits. That's how you tear down.